Inside The Weeknd's $70 million mansion in Bel Air. Millionaires have enough money to secure houses that fit every item on their wish list. Complete with luxury pools, saunas and rooms to spare, successful businessmen or pop culture celebrities have enough space free from paparazzi to continue what they do best in peace. Popular R&B singer The Weeknd lives a particularly private life, with everything he needs in his new $70 million mansion in the heart of Bel Air. Let's take a trip through the glorious estate and review the singer's journey to securing such a large and peaceful location to celebrate his wealth and success. The Deal. You probably know him from his hit Can't Feel My Face from the award-winning album Beauty Behind the Madness. In September 2015, the album ranked number 1 on the Billboard 200, selling over 300,000 copies. On August 19th, three-time Grammy winner Abel Tesfaye, known more by his stage name, The Weeknd, secured one of the most expensive house deals of the year in Los Angeles, California. The gigantic estate spans 33,000 feet, a massive upgrade from the 5,000 square foot penthouse he and girlfriend Bella Hadid had been renting since 2018. The Weeknd was desperate to move on from his 2017 Hidden Hills home. With recent hit Blinding Lights ranking longest charting song ever, it was high time for an upgrade. After months of searching, The Weeknd finally secured a home. With the help of Beverly Hills real estate agents Rainey and Brandon Williams, Tesfaye was introduced to an expansive mansion owned by famous Dutch actor Reino Eurlemans and his wife Danielle. A renowned soap opera star and producer, Eurlemans is best known for founding Amsterdam TV group iWorks, later secured by Warner Brothers for a handsome $273 million. The 3BMG creative director didn't have plans to sell the mansion originally, but the compelling price sealed the deal for him after a discussion with the Williamses. The Eurlemans couple purchased the house for $21.4 million in 2015. But after a massive 3-year renovation, the passion project soared in value. With an added 13,000 square foot of space coupled with 1.6 acres of private greenery, Tesfaye has plenty of room to continue writing music and adding to his collection of awards and experiences. And room for parties is a major plus. A history of The Weeknd's home buying. A palace with ornamental pools, dining areas and terraces is a recurring theme in Tesfaye's home purchases, but a peaceful location is an absolute must for the R&B singer. In all 3 of his previous estates, The Weeknd's standard of living was very clear, and his newest place follows the style of his past estates. The Weeknd's first mansion came with a $25 million price tag. With 3 acres of property to keep away from onlookers, the Hidden Hills estate is equipped with terraces, ensuite bedrooms, and a perfect view of the Malibu coast, making it a place fit for a king. As a neat touch for honorable guests, the mansion boasts a 2-bedroom cabana with amenities for visitors, looking out to a crystal-clear pool next to a sparkling white sitting area. Inside the manor, tenants are welcomed by a 2-story entrance with wooden floors sporting different shades, lit by numerous cylindrical chandeliers tying the house together. The colossal entrance leads to a kitchen complete with dual ovens, an industrial-sized refrigerator, and floor-touching marble countertops. If the gallery wasn't enough, room for 5 cars is available through the back door, surrounded by towering green trees providing additional privacy. With the Hidden Hills mansion still in his possession, Tesfaye spent $21 million on a smaller but equally luxurious place in 2019. The 8,125 square foot home was the most expensive sale in LA County, providing The Weeknd with the perfect toolkit for fancy gatherings and extravagant parties. The suite's 4 balconies, infinity pool, and coffee and wet bar provide the perfect amenities. The penthouse also came with an exotic great room, floor-touching windows, and a stunning bar area with dark granite countertops. When Tesfaye finally settled on purchasing a much larger home, he decided mansion number 1 needed to go. Waiting for a buyer, The Weeknd found himself renting another penthouse in Tribeca, Manhattan. In 2018, with a rent of $60,000 per month, he found himself with only 5,000 square feet on 443 Greenwich Street. Nevertheless, The Weeknd's home requirements were still present. The home opens to a spectacular double-height ceiling sweeping over an impressive grand room with a flat-screen TV and a maple fireplace underneath. Behind the couches, a dining area with hanging lights seats 8, while a shining kitchen equipped with multiple ovens and refrigerators boasts a clean, silvery finish. Outside, the view perfectly captures the city's tallest buildings and offers the weekend's signature greenery kept in a maintained garden. One thing's for certain, hanging lights, wet bars, tall windows and complete kitchens make up the bulk of the weekend's style. Luckily, his newest mansion delivers in each of these areas, providing enough room for all of Tesfaye or Hadid's needs. The Grand Tour. As soon as his previous mansion was sold, The Weeknd made the purchase of a lifetime. On April 13th of this year, pop icon Madonna claimed it for herself after coughing up $19.3 million, giving him the funds needed for the $70 million palace. Let's start by taking a look at the incredible exterior. The mansion's yard is lined with glowing orange lights and towering trees, providing a lush curtain made of a California-style jungle. A pond sits just outside, and smaller palm trees extend out to the balconies and pool area, putting the cherry on top of the West Coast feel. Better still, the mansion overlooks the golf course at Bel Air, providing more private space and vegetation. To the right, a massive sports court and infinity pool, both included in his first mansion, extend from the home's larger half. At night, the pool, elevated to the second floor, is lit with crisp lavender lights, revealing its sleek design complete with a staircase and sitting area. The left edge of the pool spills calmly in a mesmerizing waterfall, reaching the main level. Inching towards the court, a fire pit is sheltered by a white beam ceiling protecting anyone seated around the fire, but leaving the exotic potted plants free to soak up water. Further down, an elevated faux grass field houses a soccer goal and plenty of room for any kind of activity. The mansion's entrance is a fusion of two sweeping staircases, making their way to the second floor, lined with 4 marble pillars. A similar pillar entrance stacks on top of the entrance, mimicking 2 porches on the right side. The other side of the mansion is equally eye-catching, exposing the mansion's many windows and another entrance. From there, a view of a boundless stretch of thick trees, facing away from the more suburban side of things. From other views of the mansion, the interior is just as impressive as the outside. While the outdoor pool has plenty of room for lounging and talking, another pool indoors covers its entire room, surrounded by stone and elegant granite wall art. Like in his previous homes, The Weeknd's kitchen is jam-packed with all necessary amenities to feed a crowd. With 2 marble islands with 10 cabinets each, there's plenty of room for cooking tools when Tesfaye isn't using the included high-end gourmet appliances. A grand dining room shows the home's modern style, with a black granite fireplace and unique chairs, couches and ottomans. Ceiling windows in the room bring in plenty of natural light and draw attention to its intriguing design. Coffered ceilings are reportedly in many other rooms as well. Though not shown, Tesfaye's mansion is reported to have a spa with a sauna, music studio, gym, theatre, and a plethora of French doors to accommodate his many terraces. An expansive dining room and office are also included, staying true to The Weeknd's previous house layouts. The house is complete with more uncommon features as well. The bright orange living area is a bold move, but appropriate for an equally bold house. The mansion has a total of 9 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms and other small touches, like sunburst panels in the home's office. Simply put, Earleman's renovations, adding 13,000 square feet to the once 2000s-style house, equipped The Weeknd's new humble abode with everything a king could dream of. The Weeknd has to deal with a monthly HOA fee of about $7,000 though, but compared to $70 million, a little charge for upkeep is certainly worth it. The Mediterranean-style secluded palace is surely one to last Tesfaye more than a few years. Living his most luxurious life yet, The Weeknd's incredible purchase of his Bel Air mansion is sweeping headlines and showing just how successful and catchy Tesfaye's songs are. Reaching listeners around the world and selling over 75 million copies of his music, The Weeknd's unique style and non-stop flow of hits will stay strong as his legacy continues to grow. Thanks for watching, and before you go, please remember to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to Top Wealth for more great video content just like this.